Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start inside SCP-3008 by moving straight to the food court. This is where chocolate spawns most reliably. Once done, clear a small area by repositioning tables so you have a predictable spawn zone, and place chairs to block item knockback. Make sure to remain mobile and check high shelves and counters because chocolate often appears on surfaces. Use short bursts of scanning and pick up any stray consumables. Doing this increases your spawn chance and keeps you ready for hostile entities. You now execute a focused search pattern. Sweep clockwise around the food court and adjacent corridors to avoid missing spawns. Once you approach counters and shelves, crouch and look slightly off-center because spawn points can clip into edges. This improves visual confirmation. Make sure to use the Interact key deliberately. If you see an item highlight, press and hold to ensure pickup. Keep checking vending machines and under tables since chocolate sometimes spawns partially obscured by props or physics glitches. You finish by securing any chocolate you find into your inventory or a nearby chest. Doing so prevents it from disappearing if the server unloads. If you search thoroughly and still see nothing, make sure to exit the immediate area and wait 2 to 3 minutes before returning. The game often respawns items on a timer. If the problem persists, switch servers or relog to reset object pools. This usually resolves stuck spawns, and if it doesn't, consider reporting the issue so it can be investigated further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.